Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your AirDrop. So if you can't send someone on AirDrop file, so you just don't see this device, so how you can fix it? So first thing, you need to unlock device you want to send file. So if you just lock it, you won't see this device on your iPhone. So you just need to unlock your device, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have the error, so just try to restore your device. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the error, so just try to fix it in another way. So just try to install updates for your iPhone. So just go to the general again, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.